Welcome to our lesson on analog data. There are 6 analog inputs available on the Arduino, ranging from a 0 to a 5. These pins can be used to read analog sensors that output a variable voltage, such as potentiometers, temperature sensors, and light sensors. These sensors provide values that change gradually, rather than just being on or off like digital signals. When reading an analog signal on these pins using the analog read function, the value returned ranges from 0 to 1023, which is 10-bit resolution. This range represents 0 to 5 volts, allowing the Arduino to detect slight changes in voltage. Besides reading analog inputs, these pins can also function as digital input or output pins if needed, just like the digital pins D0 to D13. You can use the pin mode function to set these pins as digital inputs or outputs. Now, let's take a detailed look at what analog data is. Analog data is a form of information that is continuous and varies smoothly over time. It can take on an infinite number of values within a range. This makes it ideal for representing physical phenomena such as sound, light, and temperature, which vary gradually rather than abruptly. For instance, sound waves are analog because they are continuous signals that fluctuate in amplitude over time. Digital data, on the other hand, is represented by discrete values, typically in binary form consisting of zeros and ones. Unlike analog, which is continuous, digital data is broken into small steps, or bits, that represent specific values. This makes it ideal for use in computers and modern electronic devices, as binary code can be easily processed, stored, and transmitted without much loss of quality. Digital signals are expressed using the binary number system, which consists of the digits 0 and 1. For instance, in the voltage signal shown in the adjacent image, a value of 0 is obtained at 0 volts, while a value of 1 is obtained at 5 volts. Sensors that measure effects like temperature, light, and sound usually provide analog outputs, but Arduino is not capable of processing analog signals. Therefore, it is necessary to calculate the digital values corresponding to the analog signals. This process is carried out by the analog to digital converter inside the Arduino. Sensors connected to Arduino provide analog voltage signals, typically ranging from 0 to 5 volts. These signals are fed into Arduino's analog input pins. The ADC in Arduino has a 10-bit resolution, which means it can convert the analog signal into a digital value between 0 and 1023. A 0-volt signal corresponds to 0, and a 5-volt signal corresponds to 1023. Each step in the conversion represents about 4.88 millivolts. So, what is the reason that the values acquired from the analog to digital converter fall between 0 and 1023? As is well known, in computers and microcontrollers, digital information is represented using the binary number system. In this system, data is stored and processed as a series of zeros and ones, which correspond to the two states of electronic signals, off and on. This binary system forms the foundation of all computing operations. In Arduino, when we consider a 10-bit register, the values are represented as 10 digits of either zeros or ones, or various combinations of them. This means that each bit can be either 0 or 1, and by arranging these bits in different combinations, we can represent different numerical values. A 10-bit register can hold values ranging from 10 zeros, which represents 0 in decimal, to 10 ones, which represents 1023 in decimal. This means the register can store 1024 different values. Each combination of zeros and ones corresponds to a unique decimal value, providing a total of 1024 possible values. For instance, if the signal input is 3.3 volts, the digital value we will get is around 675. In this lesson, we covered the topic of reading analog signals with Arduino, and we discussed how an analog signal is converted into a digital value. In our next lesson, we will practically explore how the values between 0 and 5 volts obtained from a potentiometer are converted into digital data.